A monstrous rain cloud clobbered a Donald Trump event in Miami, Florida this week, and the man just kept going. Watch.
And they weren't going to do a thing against us. Nada. This might be the greatest rally we've ever had.
Of course, Donald Trump was flanked by a rainbow after this, and Donald Trump himself stood strong, an apt metaphor for Donald Trump, the man, the myth. Joe Biden would never, and literally could never, watch.
Let's not postpone and get out of the rain. God bless you all. Thank you.
What a loser.
I'm the MAGA king.